Hi guys, it's Allie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a ColourPop haul slash try on. I placed an order that I forgot about and it came in today and I was very excited. So I figured why not try things on. I actually bought something in person the other day. So I'm including this into the haul because it's literally the only thing I bought at Ulta. I have one layer of that on my face right now. It is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. I have it in the color Light 7W, so I'm going to put a second layer, but just so you guys can see, I do have some blemishes here. Very, very light coverage, but it feels really, really nice on my skin. So far, I've been very happy with it. I do want to try it out with a sponge. However, I don't know where mine is. I think I threw it out when I was in like a cleaning frenzy. I don't know, but I'm applying it with a brush today. I'm just gonna put a couple of little pumps. Now, it's really nice. I wish I had the box, but I threw it out. But I believe there's coconut water in here and hyaluronic acid, so very moisturizing, very good for the skin. Coconut water agrees with me, so that's nice. I've always wanted a really good tinted moisturizer. I haven't like actively looked for one, but as you guys know, I've been on like a ColourPop kick, and I was like, you know what? Why not try it? There was also another one that I tried that I want to get a bigger size of. I got it like a little sample size in, I think it was an Ipsy bag. I don't remember. And I think it was Pure Cosmetics. And that worked really, really well too. So I will be playing with that next, but I'm including this. This is slightly buildable, I'd say. Still light coverage, but you can build it up. I like that it just kind of evens everything out. So it still looks like your skin, but like a little bit more even. I do like the packaging. You get 1.45 fluid ounce. So typically foundations you get about an ounce, so you get a little bit more. I like it. I really like the packaging. So since I got this and I liked it, I did want to try out the concealer because I only picked up the tinted moisturizer. I didn't get the primer, which I do want to pick up. Oh, also don't mind my Band-Aid. Now for the concealer, it's the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. This one, it says dermatologist tested, oil-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, ideal for all skin types. Again, I feel like it probably would apply nicely with a beauty blender or some type of sponge, but I don't have one now. I got mine in Light 45W. Now this, since I did place it in an online order, I just based it off of the swatches online, but I think it should be okay. This is what the applicator looks like. I'm just gonna use like a little bit first. Put on my nose. Yeah, I feel like I would probably like it better with my fingertip. It's like not super full coverage or intense, but I feel like it definitely did a little something. I feel like this will be good for my no makeup days. Or if I'm just like running errands and I don't really need to get done, but I want to look a little bit better. I like that it's supposed to actually be good for your skin. So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is actually for me, but not really for me. I got it for my daughter because she saw it and she really, really liked it. But it is the Honey palette. I like the whole like monochromatic thing that they were going for with this collection. This is obviously their yellow one. And my daughter already played with it. Fingerprints on here, but look at the colors, how cute. I also got the Sweet Talk palette. I think the packaging is so cute on all of them. So, there it goes. This is what this one looks like. Let's do more of the face. I got a few face products. I got, who's surprised, but I got the Kathleen Lights collab, the pressed powder blush. Oh, I got 2 blushes. And the Super Shock highlighter on the cusp I got. Oh, looks like there's a tiny little crack in there. Not happy about that, but that's okay. So I got, for blush, I got Lunar Has It. I love the packaging. It's so, so cute. This is Lunar Has It. I think I'm going to like that one for the days that I don't want my blush to be like in your face. And then I got I Need Space. So this one is I Need Space. I'm going to do the Lunar Has It. I'm going to try that one on today. I love that. That's so pretty. It just gives like a little flush of color. Beautiful. Let's put the highlighter on. So this is a Super Shock highlighter in On the Cusp. Now this I'm just going to apply, I think, with my fingertips. All right, I'm going to try with my fingertips first. That's so pretty. I like the texture of that. I love that. Let me see what it's like applying this with a brush. Oh, I love that so much. Cool. I didn't get a bronzer by ColourPop, but I'm just going to do it real quick. All right, let's do eyes. So I'm going to put the soft ochre paint pot on my lids as a base. I do actually already have some mascara on from earlier today. And my brows are done. Just a little bit of powder today. I was excited when my order came in and I opened up and saw what I got because I was like, oh, I can actually film, because all I had was a layer of the tinted moisturizer and the mascara, and I just did my brows now. So that way I could actually try things on. Okay, I'm going to use the Sweet Talk palette. We're going to use the color Work It. That's this one. Don't mind my nails. I was about to do them and I decided to film instead. So we're going to do Work It right here. That's pretty. We're going to do a simple eye look because, like I said, I'm basically putting makeup on just to take it right off. But I really want to try this out and get it on camera. I'm going to use Dream Maker now, the other side of my brush, and put it towards the inner part of my lid. Let's add a little bit more and wrap it up. We're going to use a little bit of West Side, this color. And then we're going to put a little of the Feel Free on the outer corner. Love this. Honestly, the more and more I use ColourPop, the more I'm just like, I love their products. I do. So far, so good. Let me know. Do you guys like ColourPop? Do you not like it? I'm going to get Feel Free, put it on the outer corner. That is a lot more red than I was expecting. It's like a darker red-brown. It's funny, on the brush it looks a lot more red, and then you put it on and you see that like more brown tone. That looks so good though. Put some of that on the lower lash line. Yes. And then I'm going to just put the color Catch Me, which is the lightest one here, with a fluffy brush, and just put it on my brow bone and buff things out. Let's see if there's anything from the Honey palette that I want to use with this look. I don't think so, to be honest. No, it doesn't really go. But it's really fun. Well, I can use Buzzkill. I'll do a little bit of Buzzkill with that and just put it right in there. Ooh, that added just a little extra depth and warmth. Cool. Now, sticking with eyes, I got their gel liner. I have it in Mr. Bing, also one of Kathleen Lights' collab. I think I do have a couple of their gel liners, now that I'm thinking about it. This is just like a deep, warmer brown. Just gonna put that on the waterline. And I do think this actually works really well with the rest of my eye look, so that works out. But I like that. That works so well with my eye look. Last but not least, I got 3 lip products. I got, this is, okay, so the video I was watching was obviously Kathleen Lights recommendations, and so a lot of these are her products. I got Luxe lipstick in What's Your Sign, which is this, which is a really pretty nude. Oh, that's beautiful. I think that's gonna look really good on me. And then I also got the Taurus Matte Lippy Sticks. Oh, that's so pretty too. Which is that. And last, I got the So Juicy Plumping Gloss in Beechwood. Oh, I love that color. Let's do the Luxe first, just because it's lighter, and see how that wears. I do like this color, but I feel like maybe not with this eye look. Although, kind of works, right? You know what's throwing me off is I want eyeliner on top, I think. I think it would look really good with the gloss, actually. I love that. Oh, that's so pretty. But I want to see Taurus. I think the Taurus might look better. Take that off. I want to see the Taurus. Well, it's just called Taurus. But, let's see. I like that. I also don't have lip liner. And let's put the lip gloss right on top. How pretty. Cool. I like that the stuff I got, they actually work really well together, and I was able to try it on for you guys. Okay, this was fun. I'm so happy that I was able to show you guys what I ordered and actually try it on for you. I'm very excited to play around with these products a little bit more. And yeah, I think I want to try like a yellow, the monochromatic look with the Honey palette. I feel like that would be a lot of fun. Let me... Ooh, be gentle, girl. This is not yours. I'm not going to break my daughter's palette. But let me know if you guys want to see that. I feel like that would be fun, a little bit different. So that was it. That was my little ColourPop haul. Let me know if you like this little try on format. Let me know if you have any of these products or anything like that. All right, so that does it. I hope you guys liked this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and ring the little bell for notifications. Is the bell here? Here? Somewhere? Be sure to stay happy, and I will see you guys in my next video.